Coming with the original hard case leather back. The perfect camera for a beginner. You can get the camera with the back or without it. There will be 2 separated listings, so it's up to you. And this is the great Revue Classic. Extremely simple camera with perfectly working light meter, 18 frames per second. There is no focus, there is no zoom. It's a very straightforward, easy camera to use. So let's test it out. First of all, you need to unscrew the battery compartment here. As you can see, clean battery compartment, clean lid as well. And on the side there are some instructions in order to position the batteries in the correct way. Please always follow the instructions, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. Once all 4 AA batteries are in, put the lid back in position, screw that. You might want to use a coin as well here to tighten it. Don't tighten it too much, just enough to hold the batteries in position. Once that's done, voila, off, on. Light meter works very well. Unfortunately, I can't show you that through the viewfinder. Viewfinder is clean as well. The camera is extremely simple, but great for people who are just starting to shoot on Super 8. We always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones, like this one that barely moves by hand. So if the motor manages to spin this expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very smoothly working. Let's see what the result is. The result is no mark there anymore and straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for the footage. So whoever wants to jump into the Super 8 adventure, that's the best camera to start with. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.